Let me introduce Ram Vilas. He secured 146th rank in GATE 2021, and he is from final year. Means whoever are pursuing now final year or third year, they can follow his preparation strategy such that they can reach better. They can reach their goals of GATE 2022. Hi, Ram Vilas.
Hello, sir.
Tell us how you prepare your preparation strategies, how many hours you used to prepare, how you managed basically this gate preparation along with your curriculum, normal curriculum of final year, and how you started OTS and where did you do some mistakes. So if you can share, it will be helpful for our community.
Yes, sir. Definitely will share all the points one by one. But first at all, thank you very much, sir, for giving me this platform where I could share my thoughts or whatever the difficulties I faced and how did I overcome. I will be able to share all my experience, so it will be helpful for other aspirants. So coming to the starting, I started a little bit early in the end of the second year or from the beginning of the third year. I started this journey, so there were a plenty of time. It wasn't the thing that I am not able to manage my college and the all these get stuff. There were plenty of time, so I was able to manage all the things together. So what did I notice that continuity is the key. If you give continuously time to the get simultaneously with the college, then definitely at the end all the things will get easily settled and you will be able to cover your syllabus. And the college technical subjects and the GATE subjects are almost same in this some or other way, they are same. So it isn't that managing college or managing GATE are two different things. These are the same things, just a slight variation only. So I think if you start early, then it will be good. It wouldn't be a point of very pressure, a point of pressure for you. So that's all.
Okay. In 3-1, you started the preparation, and
Yes.
yeah, did you prepare standard books or did you solve standard books exercise problems? And daily, how many hours you used to
Yes, sir.
dedicate to GATE?
Yes, sir. So now coming to that, what reference did I use? So as you know, due to Corona, there was lockdown and all. So in a very rush, I have to move to our home. So I wasn't having books, although I downloaded a few books, but I didn't refer that much. But I was a little bit addicted to YouTube. So I used to watch some random stuff, but there I got some wonderful channels, sir, like your channel. And in the free time or wherever I got stuck in any subject, I used to refer those videos. And in the lockdown, basically, I came in touch with your videos and was found of those videos, because the thing I liked the most was the way you touch the fundamentals. Because like in the machine, I saw one video where you was asking that why all the machines is analyzed on the basis of electrical field,
Hmm.
on the basis of magnetic field, why not on the basis of electrical field? So I was like, this question itself is wonderful, and the explanation was also in that way. So these were the things I liked the most, and the fundamental of the machine power systems. And I also referred those videos. And in the lockdown, we also have plenty of time. So I prepared most of the preparation. The core part of my preparation was got strength in the those months only. Now coming to the how many hours. So what does generally students do? Hours doesn't matter so much, but just continuity. Continuity is needed. So what students do, they don't do study for 3 to 4 days. Then they make a plan to study for 9 hours, 10 hours. I
Hmm.
call this a quantum jump. So this is needed to be avoided, because whenever we drive even a car, we directly don't go for the fifth gear. So start slowly. Start by 1 hour, then increase it to 3 hours, then 5 hours. Then see how much hours do you really need. Don't go for a quantum jump. You will definitely fail miserably. You can from the 0 hours to 10 hours, you could be there for 1 to 2 days, but you cannot be there for long time. So start gradually.
Good, good. Guys, our Ram Vilas is suggesting that rather than directly starting 10 hours a day, start with daily 1 hour or 2 hours and gradually increase your pace, right? And
Yes.
what about the OTS rule, online test series? When did you start taking online test series? because everyone will
Yes, sir.
have their
Actually,
weaker areas. Yeah.
yes, sir. So regarding the OTS, I want to say one thing. Start it a little bit early. So what people try to do, they are thinking that once they will complete 100% syllabus, yes, 100% syllabus needed to be studies, but at one point of time, you cannot remember 100% of the syllabus just before 4th month or 5th month of the exam. So if at one point of time, if you are having 70% of the syllabus in your memory, then also you can go for full length test, and along with that you could keep on revising other stuff, and that's all. So in the OTS, go for first subject by subject test, and then keep on mixing the subjects. That's the key. Do not go all the time one by one. Keep on mixing the subjects. Try to solve random doubts from every subjects and all. And start it early. Don't go for completing all the syllabus. Start it early. That's the point. And do not get demotivated from the marks and all, because I also wasn't getting good marks in the test series and all, but performed well in the gate, so it happens.
Yeah, because online test series is kind of mock, such that
Yes,
you'll be able to prepare for the original gate exam. So, guys, even though you are getting less marks in online test series and all, don't get demotivated. Chances are very high that you would perform well in your gate original gate exam, right?
yes,
And
yes, definitely.
yeah, what are your plans about with this 146 rank next, Ramvilas?
Next, yes, I am really hopeful to get into some PSU. So if I will get PSU, definitely I will join one, and I have no plan to do any MTech or other higher studies.
Mm-hmm.
And if get a PSU, because we can see the what condition the going on. ONGC is not going to recruit, and neither the NTPC. So a little bit of situation. So they have already got placed. I will join that company and all.
Okay, where did you get the placement in NIT Jaipur?
Yes, in the NIT Jaipur, I have got placed in DCM Sriram Limited.
Okay,
So I have to go that for my post.
okay.
I'm
So,
grateful that I will go into PSU. That was just a backup one.
mm-hmm. So if you get PSU, you would join PSU. Otherwise, you would join your campus placement.
Yes, sir. I would not go for higher study.
Okay. Any specific reason? Because from you are from top-notch college, NIT Jaipur, and
Yes,
is
sir.
there any specific reason like why you don't want to go to masters and all?
No, sir. It's been a long since I am studying. It's been 22 years since I won. It seems I am doing study only. It
Okay.
doesn't matter how much the salary or what. I want to work only.
Yeah, you want to start working now.
Yes, sir.
That's really great. So, any final words for your juniors who want to aspire for GATE 2022?
Yes, sir. Definitely. One thing what I have noticed that there are many deserving candidates, but unfortunately in India we doesn't have that much seats. So what do I consider that around 1,000 to 2,000 are the very good students. They prepared well. Around 2,000 good students are there who prepared everything. But unfortunately seats are 200 to 300 and all. So I want to appeal them that don't get demotivated. It's not your fault. So anyone who will prepare will definitely go to under 1,000. But once you in under 1,000, it depends on your luck. It depends on so many things that how will it went. Like right now on my 73 marks, this is 146 rank. And if I got one question wrong, then rank will be 250. One question right, rank will be 100. So too much flexibility. This is because there are too many people in India, too much competition. So don't get demotivated. Don't get very seriously, because this is like a T20, or this is a examination where luck factor is very high. So if you are getting, then it's very good. And if you are slightly not getting that much good rank, then also it's not that much big issue. This is my approach to all the aspirants. It's not our fault. It's fault of the system itself. Because country where 130 crore people are there, and in that you are getting such a good rank, then definitely you are wonderful. You are in the 0.1%. So that's not your.
But normally to our aspirants, I share this. I say that because in recent times, what happened? Get first rank, are top 10 ranks, and people are feeling that top 10 rankers only are achievers. Even I speak with many like rankers, right? whenever I
Yes.
speak with a 230 ranker or 240 ranker, they are literally demotivated. Though they got 230, 240 rank or 280 rank, they are saying that, sir, I didn't do well. And they are unable to enjoy the success or achievement. They are still feeling that.
Whatever, sir, they should note that 99% or more than people are behind them.
That's what.
This is really big thing. Even if you are not getting anything, then also you perform very well.
Mm. So how did you manage?
In my eyes,
Tell me.
all the people which are so sir, what I think that people which are getting 10,000 rank, 500 rank, they themselves know that they didn't prepare well. But people who are getting 700 rank, something went wrong because so the things are this. Everyone could not win top 300 because there are only 700 seats available.
Perfect.
So even if 700,000, you did well. Thing is that we don't have that much seats. Your efforts was good. Everyone cannot be in 300, but efforts were good. That then only you are able to get this much rank.
Okay. And how did you manage the pressure? Were you tensed or pressurized at one point of time in gate preparation?
Managing pressure.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, I don't have that much pressure because, sir, this is my mentality that even if I'm getting anything, any rank, I will be thankful for that. So there is no point of pressure.
That's great. Actually, at your final year of age, you are so mature. Really, you are so mature. Guys, see, without having
Yes,
any
sir,
pressure.
clear statistics, we have to see it.
Mm-hmm. That's what I say. There is nothing like to take the pressure and all. It is gate exam.
Yes, sir. There are so many options. If you are not getting PSU, if you want PSU, you could prepare once more, or you could go for MTech, you could go for campus placement. And if your parents are financially good, you could start something at your own.
Yes.
But in the 200 seats, only 200 people can be there. No matter how motivate all other aspirants, and no matter what we can do. So what we can do, we can guide them on some other ways as well. That this isn't the, if you are doing preparation well, definitely you will get a rank. But sometime it happens that you may not get. So this must be keep in mind.
Yes, that's true. That's true. And it's great talking to you, Ramvilas. And hearty congratulations. Hearty congratulations. You rock.
Thank you very much.
Anyway, you are matured enough to understand all these things. It's great talking to you.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Take care. And in future, at any point of time, if you need any help or guidance or anything, I'm always there.
Sure.
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 Thank you, buddy. Take care. Bye-bye.